You ever notice your knee cracking while you walk? It's actually pretty common. That popping sound often comes from gas bubbles in the joint fluid. When you bend or straighten your knee, those bubbles burst, creating that familiar crack. Sometimes it's just ligaments or tendons moving over the bones. But if it's accompanied by pain or swelling, it might be time to see a doctor. Staying active and strengthening your muscles can help keep those knees happy and crack-free. So don't worry too much. Just keep moving.